we're here in Brooklyn at the stained glass store. We're gonna go see how stained glass is made from the man who's been doing it for decades.
I do mostly cane technique because almost all my work is either reproduction of old windows or restoration of old windows, and it's all cane. I don't want to sound sexist, but this separates the men from the boys. This technique. There's only a few of us that really do it well. They do it, you know, for such a long time. That's why I rarely teach this to people, because once they learn how to do this, once they do a class in this, they go right back to copper foil.
So I'm here with Joey. Joey was a student of Peter's 30 years ago? 30 years?
Just about.
Just about 30 years ago, and he's going to teach me how to do copper foiling.
You seem that you're afraid of it.
I am. This is really hard. So first Joey had me choose my glass. Next we sanded it down so the edges were nice and smooth. Then we wrapped it with copper foil. Joey had me use a wooden burnisher to stick the foil to the glass. Then we applied flux, this liquid that adheres the lead to the foil. And finally, we soldered it all together. Soldering the stained glass made me really respect how hard this craft is. Considering how much I struggled with this simpler technique, I can't imagine how hard the lead cane technique is. So this one is here in Brooklyn?
Most of the stuff is all in Brooklyn.
After leaving Peter's store, I decided to take a walk around the neighborhood. It's an area I walk all the time, but I've never noticed the stained glass before. Now that I'm aware of Peter's mission to preserve this craft, I'm seeing his legacy across Brooklyn.
I like what I'm doing, so people ask me all the time, when I'm going to retire. I said, I have no idea.